So before we jump right into today's business, I have exciting news for you guys. Just as I have promised that I would do giveaways when I reach 5k subscribers. So I'm pleased to inform to you guys that I reached 5k subscribers. So I'm going to start doing giveaways. So chances of getting a giveaway are equally free. So to stand a chance to get a giveaway, you just have to perform these simple steps. So to get a chance, you have to create a Deriv account under the link that I'm going to put in the description box below. So if you already have a Deriv account, you have to create an Exness account using the link that I'm going to put in the description box below again. So just create the link and then send the proof, and you stand a chance to get a giveaway. Also, you have to fund that account with $10. That is the amount that I'm going to start doing giveaways with. So good luck, guys. Let's get right into today's business. So we are going to start with an $11 account. So we are going to visit the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. As you usually see in my videos, I don't usually trade currencies, but however, I've decided to trade the currencies today. So in this video, I'm going to trade the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. So I'm going to trade the news, that is the New Zealand dollar CPI. So the consumer price index is usually an index that is used to measure inflation in a country. So when the news of the CPI is being read, it means that the market is going to buy or sell according to that news. So I'm going to trade the news and see if I can make profit using that CPI. So as you can see, I've analyzed that the market is going to buy, which means the New Zealand dollar is actually going to gain power in the forex market. So using that information, we then buy. But however, the market can just sell, and then at this point, it is just going to blow the account if it sells, because I've gone full margin. As you can see right now, the market is spiked and I've blown the account. So even if I was correct, as you can see, now we're in 000, which means the account is blown. Not a very good way to start a video, right? But however, this is how the market operates. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. But however, I'm going to fund more and then see if I can be able to convert that. So on my next trade, I'm going to use Fastbull to analyze the market. So I'm going to analyze the Euro USD using Fastbull. As you can see, it is very simple to make your analysis, as it shows very important aspects like the indicators. At the same time, you can also make the fundamentals and the technical analysis on the same chart. Using Fastbull, you have an option to open a lot of charts using the multi-chart feature, which allows you to open up to 64 charts on the same tab. So this is a very easy platform because it is free forever. It allows you to view the fundamentals and the technical sides of the codes, the real-time codes, that is the stocks, the cryptos, and the US stocks. You can also view all of them for free. So get a link in the description and download Fastbull, because it is very easy and useful when you're analyzing your trades. So I'm going to use this platform to analyze the Euro USD, which I'm going to trade. So the Euro USD is the chart that I'm going to trade today. So I'm going to analyze it using Fastbull, and hopefully I'm going to win that award, that is the contest there. So now let's see what we can get from the analysis. As you can see, the market is actually showing us that the market is being dominated by the bears, as you can see, as shown by that moving average, convergence and divergence zone. And then now we move to MT5, and then we are just going to draw the lines and then execute the market. The market is actually showing us the selling pressure, so we're just going to enter our sales. As you can see, there was a breakout on that pennant that I've just drawn, which means the market is going to move downwards towards that TP. So I'm going to use a $97 account because I have blown that first account. However, let's see if I can maximize on this one so that I can recover the loss that I just made earlier. So now I have sold. So the market is actually going to touch that last TP. So as you can see, the market is already broken out and it has moved quite a lot, but then it is going to respect the last TP. So I'm going to trade it until it reaches that TP and then leave the market. So this is a pennant. If you don't know how to trade pennants, I'm going to do another video of how to trade the pennants. Now, as you can see, we are in $350, which is a lot. We've already covered that loss, that $11 loss that we made earlier. So the market is actually closer to our last TP that we have said earlier. So we're going to leave the market until it reaches that TP. So this is the Euro USD. I don't usually trade currencies, as I've said earlier, but then I've done it so that you guys can understand how to trade these. They are not that different, but however, sometimes I prefer currencies because they have news. Sometimes I trade news, but however, it's just the same. Synthetics can also be good sometimes. So please find the links so that you can get a chance to get the giveaway. I'm going to trade quite a number of accounts so that you guys, a lot of guys, can benefit from the giveaways. So as you can see, the market is heading towards our TP. Let's wait for it. And then after some time, it means the market has retraced a little bit back. We could have blown, but then the market continued going in that direction. So let's see. Now it's actually time to close the market because it has reached our TP. And then now in $348. Let's see if we can get more trades. So now we go back to the volatility. So this is the advantage of trading using derivative. So if you trade using derivative, it means you can simply switch from volatilities to currencies or vice versa. So if you do not have a derivative account, get the link in the description and create your own account so that you can get the benefits of using a derivative account. You can also trade Exness. It's also a very great broker, but I prefer derivative. So let's move on to our analysis. As you can see, I'm currently drawing the areas of resistance and areas of support. As you can see, the market is broken to the upside. Initially, it had broken to the downside, but then since it is a falling wedge, usually it breaks to the upside. So it was just a forced breakout to trap all those buyers who might think the market is just going to bounce to the upside. So now, after the breakout, there was a little bit of a pullback, as you can see. And then after the pullback, we all know that the market continues going in that direction because this was a successful breakout, as it is marked by those two bullish candles. So those two bullish candles signals that the market has regained power in favor of the bulls. So the market is going to buy. So let's go full margin on this one. Let's execute more and see how much we can get from this one. So as you can see, now we've gone full margin. It is actually calling our margin levels. Now we're in $290 profit, which is a lot, but we're going to continue holding. And then after some time, we're in $549, which is a lot. Now our account is in $890 something. So this is a lot, guys. We're just going to continue holding, or maybe you can just close and then look for other trades. As you can see, the market has bought, but it is a very, very long way from reaching the TP. So you might even wanna stay in the market, because these are the first three the white soldiers. So after the white soldiers, the market continues going up. As you can see, those are the white soldiers. So in terms of take profit, we always put it at the first area of confluence that we see, as I have marked by the shadow zone over there. And then I think it's time to close. Let's look for other trades elsewhere. And then now we visit the volatility 100 1 second. So in the volatility 100 1 second, we're going to mark the areas of confluence, that is the lower low that was created and the lower high that was created earlier on. So these areas are major in the Forex because they are going to be respected each time the price reaches that level. So other areas of confluence are that small area that I've put, that is a resistance lane. It is also important because the market might face a little bit of difficulties when reaching that level. However, it is also important to just mark all the areas of confluence so that you know when the market is going to face a little bit of difficulties before it continues going in your direction. So after the analysis, we're going to buy, because at this point the market formed a little bit of a double bottom, but then this double bottom was just a continuation pattern. It wasn't on a reversal like I always do in my videos, where I put it as a reversal pattern. So after some time, now we're in $2,957 profit, which is a lot because I added more positions so that I can collect a lot of profit. As you can see, the market bought, so I've gone full margin again on this one because I wasn't happy with the way I blew my first account. So I'm just trying to get back what's mine. So this was the double bottom that I've said in H4. It is clear. So I executed the market at the neckline. So at this point, the market can just do a little bit of a retest, but then it always continues going up, just as I've executed the market where I've put the shadow zone over there. So in terms of take profit, like I always say, guys, you put it at the first areas of confluence. So this is the easiest target because the market will just hit that take profit and then continues going up to the next take profit. But however, I will be satisfied with that take profit as I already am in 3,000, which is a lot. I had a $97 account, so you know what to do, guys. So please don't forget to create an account using my link in the description, whether it's Exness or it's Deriv, so that you can get a chance to get a giveaway. So the chances of getting a giveaway is equally fair, and everyone has an equal chance of getting a giveaway. So the analysis on this one was marked by that doji line where I've put the arrow over there. So that doji line marked that the market is now going to reverse. And then I closed the market now in 4,082. And then we visit the silver and USD. So this is a very, very volatile market. So let's start by marking the areas of support and the areas of resistance. So I've put a shadow zone marking the areas of support that was created by that lower low, and then I have put another shadow zone that is marked by that lower high, and then we put another line that is marking a resistance line that was respected long back. And then after some time we realized that the market formed a little bit of a channel that it respected and broke to the downside. So the market is currently at a very confluential area. So this area was failed quite a number of times. As you can see, the market was in a channel that it broke to the downside, and then this market is being respected again. So at the same level, there was another area that is being respected. So this area is a very, very, very confluential area. So it means the market is going to face a little bit of a challenge, which means we can sell for some time and then just scalp the market and then leave the market. As you can see, I've already executed the market because I know the market is just going to sell for a little bit and then maybe it might go up. So I've gone full margin and then I just collect my 1.2 and then leave the market. So the market just sold for a little bit of time. It means the market might even go up, but however, it is just a little bit of scalping and then we leave the market because the market is at two major areas of confluence. So it means it is going to face a little bit of a difficulty before it breaks to whatever point it wants to go. So overall, this is how the market is going to operate. It is more like a base. So the market did a drop and then it did a base and then it might do a rally. But however, this is not important. We're just going to sell and then collect our profit and then leave the market. So I'm just going to close. So I have made 5,186, which is a lot. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when there's an important update. So I'll see you in the next video.